Park. Medyo malayo yan. Tingnan kayo makikita. And then here is the aft. So aft ang tawag nila sa likod ng ship. Parang nasa mid part kami ng between the middle and the aft. So nasa gitna kami na. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Sky Ride. So that's in the 11th deck. Sa open deck. Malamig doon. Kaya mga naka-sweater kami. So see you there. Okay guys, where are you going?
Sky, well, ano yun?
Huh?
Sky, what do you call that?
Sky Ride.
Sky ride. Swimming.
Swimming and Sky Ride? It's in deck 11.
Deck 11.
No.
Okay, where are you guys?
I got this much more.
Hola, señor. Vámonos. Vámonos. I'm gonna go to Sky Ride. This way.
Key.
Here.
Key pa rin. Key pa rin.
Hindi makakit pa? Sa taas pa yata. Sige na, go upstairs. Ayan, no? Wow! So, maganda rin ang weather for our second day in cruise. Hindi mainit. Hindi rin malamig. Yan, tingnan ko mga ito. Susubukan namin itong Sky Ride. We're gonna try this. See how it works. If you're afraid of height, I don't think it's applicable for you, but you can conquer your fear. Sabi nga nila. Here. And then yung sa ropes. Yan, rope course. Ropes course ko. So kung takot ka sa height, I don't know if you can try this one. But it's good for the kids.
I think, yeah.
Let's try this. Sky Ride and rope courses. Woo! Ayan, medyo mahaba ang pila. Guys ready? No, wait for us. Oh, you're gonna try that one first? Sky rope?
It's shorter.
Huh?
It's shorter.
It's fine, okay.
Ano sila training?
Susunod. Hey, who's nervous in heights? Are you nervous? Are you scared in heights? Huh? Are you ready? Are you scared in heights? You'll be fine.
No, I broke last time. I did this a year ago and I got scared and I had to have help getting across.
But you're doing it today.
But I'm doing it again today.
That's good. Good for you. Mami, join them. Sister, pipila ka? Tama ka? That's great. You guys ready?
Oh, what? Everybody?
Everybody? Go ahead. Yan. Turn around. Let's go. Kailangan talaga nakasecure yan. Pero chine-check naman nila kung tama yung ginawa mo. So, you'll be fine, sister. Yeah, magaling ka naman lumoy kasi pag nilaglag ka, diretso ka na sa ocean. Oh. Yan oh. Naku, mali yan, sister. Hello, sister. Okay, good luck guys. Hindi muna ako sama for the meantime kasi wala yung head mount ko sa GoPro. Bawal kasi ang hawak eh. So, you're not allowed to bring anything, any handheld devices, nothing in your pockets. Dapat wala talagang laman. And then make sure na naka-close shoes kayo kasi hindi rin pwede ang flip-flop or sandals here. Dapat close shoes. Mamaya sama ako with the head mount para makita niyo yung view.
Only one at a time when you're pushing down, otherwise waiting on the yellow flag. This is the entrance, the other side of the gate. You can do as much as you want, but in the end, you have to come from the other side. Got it? This is sitting. This is again is the rule. You cannot sit. Okay?
Good luck, boys! Good luck! Good luck! Ayun sila. So, they're checking naman, make sure na nakasecured lahat ng mga harness. See you, sister! Naku, sumabit! Lulu! Doon ka, doon ka.
pala nandun.
Sige na. See you guys! Enjoy! Mamaya, sama ako sa inyo. Just follow the track, ma'am. Actually, hindi naman siya nakakatakot eh. Mukhang nakakatakot lang. Hindi naman siya mataas. So, there's different tracks there. Ikaw nang bahala mamili ko sa mga gusto. Pero, I think merong 2-lane line doon. So, yun ang gagamitin nila. It's just a quick walk. Depende na sa'yo kung gaano kakatagal gumalaw. Ayan. Paikot lang siya. If you're afraid of heights, baka mabagal ka rito. Finn is almost done. Konti na lang si Finn. Tapos si Finn. Yan. Lapit na. Si Blanche, natakot siya hanggang ngayon, doon pa rin siya. Kaya nang gumalaw. Si Lorne. Ganun pa rin sila, oh. Tingnan yung nagalaw nila. Yan lang. They didn't even move much. Yan pala ang naka-accomplish nila. Masyado sila mabagal. Either takot sila sa heights or talagang mga busog pa to at maraming kinain sa breakfast. And si Blanche, and then my wife Lorna is right there. And then Mateo, oh, right there. Mateo is almost finished. I don't know if he's gonna try it again. How's it, bud? Matt, how's it? Scared? Not really? Is it scary? Matt, is it scary? Huh? COVID? Tapos sila. Ayan, humabol sila Jong, oh. May mag-asawa, humabol. Hindi pa. Mamaya sama ako. Gagamitin ko yung head mount. Kinakabahan kayo? Oo! Nakakabahan yan.
Hindi ka naman matang mahuhulog eh.
Hindi, may nahulog kanina.
Hanggang kayo tali na ba?
Hindi! Nasa ano siya ngayon? Yeah, doon siya, sa clinic. Bali-bali yung buto eh. This one here? Okay.
Alright. So we're gonna hold on to that. Keep it low so you can step into that. Alright? Black and gray. There.
This one here?
There you go. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Pull it up and wear it over your shoulders. Like that. That's good. Yeah. So let's hold it right here and turn around. Let's wait behind the red light. I'm gonna call you one at a time. That's fine now. You may let go.
Okay. Turn around right here.
Alright, let's stay in line a little bit. I'll let you go see.
Sounds
Let's
good.
stay right this way.
Yan, subukan natin to. Ako, to be honest, I'm afraid of heights, but I'm gonna try this.
Guys, please do not run. Okay, please only walk. Alright, don't race each other. You guys know each other, right? Yeah. So don't race each other. Okay, only walk. Alright. We want to only have the weight of one person on the thing at one time. So we don't
Okay.
want to when you see that, you see someone on the road, we don't want anybody else going on it. We want to wait on the platform. Let them cross over and then we can get them. Alright, so we want to go one at a time. We have two courses side by side, so that works. You can go side by side, or you can go one at a time, one after the other. Don't sit down, don't jump off, don't zip line. People try all of that.
Okay. Guys,
Alright, so you can go multiple laps. Stay up there as long as you want.
multiple laps daw. Baka ako, hindi pa ako mabot sa kalahati. Nervousin na ako, guys. Yan, medyo kinakabahan na ako. Yan, mukhang matibay naman siya. So, dalawang security naman at clutch ito. Okay, my turn?
Yep, your turn now.
Okay, my man.
Is it rolling?
Yeah? I hope so. Is it red?
Yeah, I see the red blinking on.
There you go.
Okay.
Imagine it's not rolling, right? I have to do it again.
You're gonna do it again.
I don't like heights, but I'm gonna try this one.
Go for it, buddy.
Thank you, brother. Here we go, guys. Akit na tayo rito. So, pwede ka mamili ng tracks. Ito pinili ko sa right hand side ako. We'll see. Go check it out here. Yan. Ayan o, mamili ka ng tracks. Hantay sa kabila, parang medyo bagel doon. Yan. Sabi nila, dapat daw isa-isa lang. So, yan. So far, so good. So, yan guys, oh. Yeah. I don't know kung bakit sila kinakabahan dito. Pero to be honest, hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Unless, takot ka nga sa height. So, ayan, oh. Pero, so far, medyo nanginginig na rin ako. At that means, medyo kinakabahan na rin. At ang aking latch ay still here. kailangan sabay. Yan, kita niyo yung ocean side. Mataas to, nakakatakot nga. Now, naintindihan ko na ba't yung iba ay natatakot. Kasi talagang mataas nga naman talaga siya. Okay, which one? Which side guys? Dito tayo sa left or sa right? I think dito tayo sa right. Ito, medyo risky to. Or nakakatakot kasi gumagalaw siya. Well, so far, wow! Yan, nag-gets ko na kung takot ka nga sa heights. Medyo nag-wiggling siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Hindi pwedeng sumabit din. No jumping, no sitting. Just make sure na makaabot ka sa isang platform. There you go. Now we're here. And we're gonna try this one. Medyo matakal sa kabila. Ito, medyo madali siguro to. Yan. Okay. It's not too scary. Pero parang scary siya. Ooh, guys! Taas! There you go. Yan. Medyo ilang platform na ako. 2 platform na. And then sabi nga nila hindi pwedeng 2 tao doon. So you have to wait. Yan. You guys nervous? A little? Me too. I'm afraid of heights, but I'm here. It's okay. We already finished 2 platforms, right? It's good. Do you still see blinking? Red
Yeah.
blinking? Okay, that's good. That means rolling. Imagine if it's not rolling, right? I have to repeat all of this.
Do you have like a YouTube channel?
Nah, yeah, but just starting, so. There we go. Yan. Oh, medyo nakakatakot to. Pero for me, tolerable pa rin. Ayan, nasa gitna ako. Pero I'm still okay. Ayan. Woo! Paano pag nakabitaw ka rito? Oh, guys, oh. Oh my goodness. Ayan, medyo malayo ito, ah. Oh, there you go. Yan. Saan tayo? Oh my goodness. Tayo sa gitna. Ayoko rito. Ito, sandali ito. Wala kang gagawin kundi tumulay lang. Wow, pwede kang magmadali. You can take 1 step at a time, or you can skip it however you want it. There we go. Malapit na. Nandito na ako sa gitna ngayon. So from there, nakailang 1, 2, 3, 4 platform, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 all in all platform. Okay, let's go. Hindi man nakakatakot, to be honest. Kung i-rate ko siya between 1 being not scary and then 10 the scariest, I think for me it's just like 1. Hindi siya na talaga nakakatakot. So depende na lang kung saan mo gusto. Dito may parang zigzag line. Ito sa mga medyo gustong secured kasi para siyang may enclosed cage. Ito, yan o, ganyan na siya. I don't really need to hold it. Gayahin ko kaya siya. I don't know, we'll check it out. There we go. Medyo mas mahirap nung kinuha ako kasi nagko-cross yung aking cord. Yan. Whoa. There you go. I reach it now. Ayan, dito tayo sa. There's only one way. Oh, pwede pala. Tayo sa labas. Hi there.
Hi.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Is it still blinking?
Yeah.
Like red?
It's red. Yeah.
Oh, it sounds good. Thank you. Are you afraid of heights?
Not really. I mean, back there I was.
Back there?
Yeah, those are harder than.
Not anymore. Oh, this one is your free hand.
I do not do that.
But I'm cheating though. I'm holding here, so it's not a free hand. So yeah. Woohoo! I think nakailangan na tayo. Malapit na sa kalahati. So let's go ahead. Another one. Oh, okay. Oy, oh shit, madulas ako dun ah. Sorry my French. Excuse my French. Oops, medyo nagbibigli siya. Ayoko na dito. Yan, nasa yung aking latch. Hindi tayo lumipat sa kabila or here. Dito lang tayo sa medyo tricky. Kasi para siyang freehand. Again, medyo mahangin. Oops. Ito yung aking shoes right there. part. Kailangan ba tayo dito sa may railings o wala railings? I think sila oh. Yan. Ano tayo rito? Dito tayo sa isang straight line. Okay, there we go guys. Actually, I don't have to. 1275. Let's try. Freehand to guys, ah. Walang hawak. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can take a look. Ayoko na. Punta na tayo doon. Ayun sila sa baba. Hey guys. You guys are finished? Finished?
Oh yeah.
There you go. Where's the exit? Okay guys. Good luck. Yun, natapos na natin mga friends. Nakasurvive naman tayo. Again, kung i-rate ko siya na between 1 being this scary and 10 being scary, for me, maybe 2. Kasi kahit afraid of heights ako, nakaya ko naman siya. Yun lang. Hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa ating ride na to. Okay. Habol tayo sa kanya sa kabila. Oh, see. It was good, bro. It was. I survived. Is it still blinking red? Still blinking? Okay, still rolling. There you go.
You get it.
I don't want to go back again. Around. Yan, nakasurvive tayo mga guys. Good. Slide mo lang siya to para ka nagsuot ng pantalon. And then put it back again. Excuse me. And we're good.